buoy 51000, east at 14, 6 feet, 9 seconds. Buoy 2, southeast at 14, 9 feet, 9 seconds. Buoy 3, northeast at 16, 6 feet. And Oahu until 6 p.m. Monday. A very moist air mass to the northeast of Kilo is spreading across the main Hawaiian Islands. This tropical moisture interacting with island rain will produce localized, intense, and slow-moving downpours that may lead to flash flooding. This watch may be expanded to Kauai County as details become more clear about the track and intensity of Kilo, and the saturated air mass spreads further northwest. Please monitor the weather forecast this weekend and keep a reliable way to get warnings for your location. Campers and hikers should consider rescheduling their outing to a time when weather is expected to be more favorable. Remember, it does not have to be raining heavily where you are for flash flooding to occur. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is very dangerous. Never drive into areas where water covers the road. Flash flood watch remains in effect until 6 p.m. Monday.